Okay, welcome back to our honors geometry videos. We are in section 3 of unit 2. This is exercise number 2. And we're asked to show that angle A equals angle C and angle B equals angle D in the diagram below. So we have a parallelogram here, right? We have, I don't know why that's not there. Okay. We have two sets of parallel lines. And so I'm going to create create a line here connecting D and B. This line is essentially acting as a transversal that passing through AB and DC. And so a transversal cutting two parallel lines creates, let's try this again. It creates alternate interior angles that are congruent. Now if we turn it kind of 90 degrees, we notice that DB is also a transversal that passes through the parallel lines AD and BC, creating these alternate interior angles as well. Now I don't know what the exact measures of these angles are, but I do know that these two are the same, ABD and CDB, and I know that these two are the same, ADB and CBD. So these two angles added together has to be the same as these two angles together. No matter what their individual numbers are, these two are the same as these two, so when they add them together, they have to be the same as well, thus making the entire angle B the same as the entire angle D. So that's that part. Now, showing that A is equal to C is the exact same thing. We would just, at the beginning, instead of drawing the line from D to B, we would draw the line from A to C. And once we get to this point, we would still find the alternate interior angles here. I'm going to make these 3 tick marks, and the alternate interior angles here. I'll just make this a double rainbow there. Okay, so we get, again, 2 pairs of alternate interior angles, so therefore the sums of those 2 alternate interior angles have to be the same, making angle A equal to angle C. So using what we knew about parallel lines, we created our own transversal to get congruent alternate interior angles, and then show that the sum of those alternate interior angles were the same. That's basically showing the opposite angles in a parallelogram are congruent. But we'll get to that eventually someday. If you have any questions about that particular proof, feel free to leave a comment. Otherwise, subscribe, like, or share to our videos.